Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the backup that you will restore. Sign into your Samsung account on the source device and verify a recent cloud backup exists. Once done, power the new phone and connect it to a stable Wi-Fi network. Keep it plugged in to avoid interruptions. Make sure you enabled sync for the data types you need, contacts, photos, messages, so the backup contains them. Now proceed to the Android setup or Settings app on the new phone to locate the Restore option. On the new phone, choose Restore from Samsung Cloud during initial setup or open Settings accounts and backup restore data. This accesses your cloud backups. Select the backup by the correct date and then tap individual items, apps, photos, messages, settings, so you restore only what you need. Grant each permission when prompted so the system can write restored data to the correct apps and storage. The phone will queue app downloads and begin transferring cloud data. This stage, after selecting Restore, monitor progress in Settings or the initial setup summary. Apps may install in the background while media syncs afterward. Once core data is present, sign back into any accounts that require reauthentication and confirm app data and permissions. Some services need you to re-verify two-factor authentication. If something fails, check that you use the exact same Samsung account and region, then retry. If the cloud backup is not visible, use Smart Switch over USB or Wi-Fi to transfer directly from the old phone as a troubleshooting alternative.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.